The next important property of an object-oriented program is message passing. Message passing means objects communicate with one another by sending and receiving information from or to each other. So a message for an object is a request for execution of a procedure or a function, and therefore will invoke a function in the receiving object that generates the desired result. What does that mean? Just consider this real world scenario and it will clarify the concept. Let's consider two different objects. Let's say consider two different human objects. So this is a human. I am not a very good painter, so assume that this is my human object 1, that is h1, and then there is another human object like this, and this is h2. Now this human object h1 can just talk to this human object h2 like this and ask this one to, let's say, dance for me. And once this human object h1 will ask the h2 to dance, then h2 will start dancing, that is, invoke the dance function. And it doesn't need to be between two human objects. It can be the message passing between two different objects. For example, let's say you are designing some module of a car, some driving module of the car. At that time, what will happen is, let's say there is a human object like this. This is h1, and then let's say there is a car object. This is C1. Now, just by switching the ignition button of the car, the human is passing the message to the car and instructing that car to roll. And whenever the ignition switch is pressed, this message is passed from human to the car object, and the car starts rolling because the roll function have been initiated by switching that button. And we will learn about this message passing and all other different properties in the some language specific courses in more detail.